In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Wix email to Gmail. If you use Wix email and you want your messages to arrive in Gmail, this process helps you connect the two systems so you can manage everything in one place. To begin, you will need to log into your Wix dashboard. This is where all of the email connection settings live. Make sure you open your browser and go to the Wix site, then sign in using your usual Wix login so you can access your account controls. Once you are signed in, you should see your Wix dashboard home screen with various tools and options. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account, because email settings apply to the specific site and account you are managing. Next, navigate to the inbox settings. This part matters because the connection you are about to set up is controlled by the inbox configuration inside Wix. In your Wix dashboard, look for the section related to email or inbox management. As you move through the menu, you may notice different categories. You want the one that specifically relates to how your inbox behaves and how it connects to other email services. When you find Inbox Settings, open it so you can access the connection options. Now, inside Inbox Settings, click Connect Channels. This is the area where Wix allows you to link external providers or additional channels. When you select Connect Channels, you should see choices related to different email platforms. This is where the Gmail setup begins. If you do not see it immediately, just take a moment to scan the available connection options. The screen should clearly indicate the next steps for setting up email integration. After that, click Gmail Setup. This step tells Wix that you specifically want to connect Gmail as your email destination or interface. Clicking Gmail Setup will usually bring you to a configuration screen that prepares the connection. You may see a short explanation of what you are about to do. Stay on this page because it is the setup area for the Gmail connection, and it will guide you through the final linking process. Then click Connect or Continue with Google. This is the point where the connection is authorized through Google. Depending on your browser, you may be prompted with Google Sign-In. If you see any prompts, follow them carefully. The goal is to allow Wix to connect your Gmail service so messages can be routed properly and you can use Gmail to access your Wix email. If there is a button that says Connect or Continue, press it to move forward. If you are already signed into your Google account in your browser, the process may be faster. If you are not signed in, you will need to complete Google authentication to proceed. Once the authorization is completed, return to the Wix screen and look for confirmation that the connection has been established. The interface may show that Gmail is connected, or it may display a status message indicating the connection is ready. If it asks for confirmation or additional permissions, make sure you complete those instructions, since incomplete permissions can prevent the connection from working correctly. At this stage, your Wix email should be set to connect with Gmail based on the integration you just authorized. The exact timing of when messages appear can vary, so do not be alarmed if everything does not update instantly. Give it a little time, especially if you expect messages that were sent just before the connection was made. After a short period, open Gmail and check that the emails are being received as intended. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.